Tony with Antioch's Overlander here again today. Today we're going to be swapping out the front grille. This is the what you see here is the factory chrome grille that came with the vehicle. I do have I believe it's a 2001 black grille. Had to buy the chrome emblem separate for it. I'll leave parts descriptions in the description below. But we're going to swap it out with a black grille. And for those of you following the channel will know that I've been kind of doing corner lights, tail lights, all kind of blacked out. Eventually the headlights will be LED retrofit with kind of a blackout look as well. And I think the black front grille will add a nice continuity across the front here. But join me here in a couple minutes. We're going to pop the hood. The grille itself is held on by, I believe, 7 clips, no screws. There are other videos on how to actually remove it. I will kind of walk through it with you, but really this is just kind of to keep you all updated and post another video about upgrades that I'm doing to the 4Runner. So join me in a couple minutes and we will get to work. Alright guys, so we've got the hood open here, just taking a look at some of the clips. As you can see, we've got one here, another one here, and just one over here. Down at the bottom, a little hard to see in the camera, there is one just on the other side of this line here, not too far down. One right there, and then same thing, there's another one right about there. So we're going to get those popped out. As I understand it, this is a 23-year-old vehicle. They're probably going to be brittle. This one's actually white. I noticed this one's black. So is this one here. The other ones look older. So I have a sneaky suspicion these top ones may have been replaced because they probably cracked. I am praying and hoping that they don't crack on me because I don't have any extras. That being said, if I need to, I will have to order some. So we're gonna pop these out and get the new grille in. So stay tuned. I'm gonna get this camera set up and we will walk through each one of them. All right, guys. So I went ahead and just pushed this tab down, and I was able to kind of just do a gentle pry here, and I think I've released it. It seems to be released. Just based on the movement I see there, it seems to be coming forward. Let's go ahead and do this next one. Push down. And a piece of this already broke. So don't know how fortunate we're going to be with this. Also keep in mind as you try to do these, the grill itself is going to try and kind of push itself back into place. You know, there are 7 connection points, so they're going to try and pull themselves back into place. But let's just go ahead and go to this one here, see if we can. Heard a little snap. I don't know if that's a good snap or a bad snap. I think it's a bad snap. Yeah, there's no way that's a good snap. Nope, that's a clip that's cracking. Trying to do this one-handed, so bear with me, folks. All right, let me do this. Let me set the camera down. Let me see. Yeah, I think you guys got the gist of what I'm trying to do here. So let me use my 2 hands and see if we can get these popped out. Be right back with you. Alright guys, so I did get the clips off. I got the old grill removed. I will say I was able to save pretty much 6 of the 7. That being said, I'll probably just order some anyway because the 6 that I did save are still pretty brittle. They do slide in, so I went ahead and did the 4 up top. Slid those in. Some of the little arms on the sides broke off. That middle one, I don't even know where it went. It sounded like it just completely disintegrated when I removed it. So that's the one that that I'll leave off for now. I will say that some of them stayed in the little slots, the little holes that they clip into on the body here. And one of the things about that is if they do stay there, they're super simple to pull out. They're meant to just turn to the side and they slide right out. But as far as I know, the best way to do this is pop them back into the grill and then they snap in to place when you're ready to remount them. So we're going to do that now, make sure we get this thing lined up. Hopefully everything, oops, I see some of these falling out of their slot here. So let me get this guy here. Probably going to do this with two hands because I do think some of these aren't going to stay into their slot. I think they'll snap in okay, but I don't think they're going to remain in place while I'm trying to move it around. So join me when we get this, jump back here in a couple of minutes when we're done with this, and we'll take a look and see how it looks. All right, guys, as you see, blacked out front grill, chrome emblem. Not sure what else I'll do to that grill. It is unpainted for the time being. I think that's fine. I do intend on leaving it black or maybe some shade of like a gunmetal or something, but for the most part I think I'm just going to leave it black. But that's what it looks like. You know, kind of working towards some of this blackout look here, obviously with the corner lights and whatnot. But yeah, once we get those LED retrofits in, I think this is going to look fantastic up front with the blacked out grill. So yeah, I'll give you a little before and after, but let me know in the comments what you think. Again, I will link the grill and the emblem. I'll also try and give you, I had to purchase the screws and little washers for the emblem. Didn't come with them, but I'll try and link all of that down in the description below for you. Again, comment, let me know what you think. And with that being said, I will talk to you all later. Have a great day.